What's going on, everyone? My name is Richard. This is 16th of July, Tuesday today. Welcome back to another video in gold. And let's start with the 6 hourly time frame today. And we have got this consolidation zone, which I have already mentioned many times. And it is also a bull flag in the making with its proper influence. And this is the first touch. This is the second touch. Bottom band is getting very well respected. This is the first touch. This is the second touch. This is the third touch. Okay, and the gold is currently inside this Blake uptrend channel. Talking about its effectiveness, it also have this is the first touch, this is the second touch, third touch. Bottom end is also getting very well respected. This is the first touch, this is the second touch, and it's a proper channel to the upside. And as long as we are inside this Blake uptrend channel, we can see some more high in gold. And talking about the resistance area, this is going to be 2449 to 2443, somewhere around 2447 45 will be our key resistance zone. If we just hide this chart, and you can see this can also be a double top in the making at 2455 2445 2447, somewhere around that level. And it can reject around from this level, because we have seen before as well. I have mentioned many times before, we have been into this consolidation zone for a longer time before breaking out. So same thing can happen over here as well. And we can see some sort of consolidation for a longer period before breakout. But the kind of situation we are witnessing these days, there are possibilities that after getting a rejection from here, it can move that way. It can go like this, backtest around this level, then can get a breakout. But it will not break at the first attempt, this is for sure. And if you're breaking at another attempt, at fourth attempt, then it might be a breakout and we can see a new high. Okay, so this is what I see gold in this. And talking about this resistance level, this is going to be our resistance level. 2350 is holding like a rock, so it's also a very important support at horizontal, and a very important horizontal key level. Okay, and for gold to break to the downside, it will have to break below this black uptrend channel to the downside, to get to 2350 and further to the downside, which looks unlikely so far. Okay, but at least we need a break below this Blake uptrend channel to the downside for gold to stay bearish. Okay, but that looks unlikely so far. Okay, and the level is, let me give you the exact level. The level is going to be 2398, 2395. We need a break below 2394, 95, 2400 for gold to get into the bearish zone. And that's where we may turn bearish. But as long as we are inside this Blake uptrend channel, I see some more move to the upside, and every deep should be bought. This is what I see in gold. Okay, and let's switch it into the smaller time frame. So looking at the smaller time frame, we have this, you can see the how steep this uptrend is. Just look at this Blake uptrend channel. It looks quite steep. You can see, the talking about its effectiveness, this is the first touch, this is the second touch, this is the third touch, this is the fourth touch. And we might see another attempt around here at the support level, which I have already marked. Then it can resume its move to the upside. Okay, I saw many people selling gold yesterday and getting trapped, but we bought around here at 24, 22, and we targeted this resistance zone and completed our target yesterday. And the reason is very clear. We have seen the kind of candles it is closing with. Just look at this candle, this one hourly candle closing highly bullish with a proper body and wick to the downside, and this next body is closing with a big body. So these are the signs that there is no sellers in the market, and we may continue buying it. And that's why we bought it around here at 24, 22, and we booked a target of around 180 pips, around 2 20 to 40, 2440 was our target, and we booked it. Okay, so this is what I see. And talking about the support and resistance level, so this is going to be our resistance. And look at this, this is following the exact way we wanted, and it is now getting rejected. And this 2422 level is going to be our support. That's where it may come around and start run its run to the upside again. Okay, all in all, we need a break below this Blake uptrend channel to the downside for gold to turn bearish from here, which looks quite unlikely so far. Okay, so these are going to be our support and resistance zone, and this is what I see in 1 hourly time frame. Bringing this all information together on one page, this is going to be 2434 is going to be our another resistance. Okay, and the ultimate resistance where the double top will be forming will be 2447, which I have already mentioned in my earlier chart. Okay, so 2447 is somewhere we may sell, and we may expect a rejection because we have this double top formation. But always wait for candles to close in your direction before getting into the trade. I have already mentioned how I look for confirmation. Every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour candles close gives you information about whether it's a breakout or reversal. So just make sure you are following your checklist and then going for a trade. Okay, I might have sale around here because we had this resistance, but we bought instead. And the reason I have already mentioned, the kind of closing we had this in 1 hour candle and 15 minutes candle, that maxes buying the gold at 24 22, and then we achieve this target of 2440. Okay, and also we bought yesterday at 2403 level. This was the level we bought it yesterday, and the reason is very obvious. You can see this is the first touch, this is the second touch, this is the third touch, and this was another swing low where we bought, and we booked around 2418 level. So it was around 150 pips straight. So overall we made 300 pips yesterday. Okay, so this is all I see. These are going to be our key resistance level for the day: 2447, 2434, and we need a break below 2420 for it to turn bearish. A break below 2420 will be a break of structure as well, and then we can see this new low, and these are going to be our two important support at around 24.3, and the another one is at around 23.95 level. Okay, so this is what I see in gold, and this is all about the trades today. I hope my videos are bringing some valuable information for you. And also talking about the fundamental reason why we are witnessing this gold surge. The reason is some geopolitical tensions includes that attempt to assassinate Mr. Donald Trump, and also some political uncertainty in US, and also the speculation of rate cut in September by Fed. Okay, it is heavily influencing the market, and that's one of the big reason out of all why we are seeing this gold surge these days. Okay, and talking about today's important economic event, we have retail sales data today at 7 p.m. as per Indian Standard Time. So that's all about today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.